Hello students, myself Dipendra Gupta from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.2 which is taken from class 8 mathematics. Exercise 2.2. So fifth question is given that verify the property A into in bracket B plus C is equal to A into B into C by taking A is equal to 5 by 7, B is equal to minus 9 by 4 and C is equal to 1 by 2. Now left hand side is A into left hand side, that is A into this is B into C, that is associative property. You have to verify it. Take left hand side A into in bracket B into C, put the value of A, B, C in it. We get 7 by 5 into minus 9 by 4 into 1 by 2. Now 7 by 5 into minus 9 manja minus 9 and 4 to the 8, and this will become 7 into minus 9 minus 63 and 5 8 the 14. Now take right hand side, that is in bracket A into B into C, put the value of A, B, C in it. We get in bracket 7 by 5 into minus 9 by 4 into 1 by 2. Now solve this. We get minus 63 by 20 into 1 by 2. We get minus 63 by 14. So both values are same. So we can say that, therefore we can say that A into in bracket B into C is equal to in bracket A into B into C. It is verified. Pause the video and note it down. Now next question is verify the property A into in bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is distributive property over addition of rational number. So A is equal to 1 by 3, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to minus 7 by 6. So we take left hand side and put the value of A, B, C in left hand side. We get 1 by 3 into 0 plus minus 7 by 6. We get 1 by 3 into, if 0 is added to any rational number, then we get the same rational number, that is minus 7 by 6. Now 1 into minus 7 will be minus 7 and 6 is 18. That is left hand side. The value of left hand side is minus 7 by 18. Now solve right hand side, that is A into B plus A into C. It means 1 by 3 into 0 plus 1 by 3 into C, that is minus 7 by 6. If we multiply any rational number by 0, then we get 0. And here minus 7 manja minus 7 and 6 3 ja 18, that is minus 7 by 18. Both values are same, so that's why we can say that A into B plus C is equal to A into C plus A into C. It is verified. and this property, sorry, A into B. So this property is called distributive property over addition of a rational number. Got it? Pause the video and note it down. Question number 7. Verify the property A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C by taking A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 3 by 4 and C is equal to minus 2 by 3. Let's take left hand side, that is A into B minus C. In this question you have to verify this property A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is a distributive property over subtraction of a rational number. Got it? So here the value of A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to minus 3 by 4 and C is equal to minus 2 by 3. Put the value of A, B, C in left hand side, then we get 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Solve this. 1 by 2 into LCM is 12. 3 3 is minus 9. Minus minus plus 4 2 is 8. We get 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 12, that is minus 1 by 24. Now solve right hand side, that is A into B minus A into C. So 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3. Minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. 4 2 is 8 minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. 3 2 is 6. Minus 3 by 8 minus minus plus 2 by 6. LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. Then 8 3 is 24, then 3 3 is minus 9, 6 4 is 24, that is plus 8, that is minus 1 by 24. Both values are same, so we can say that therefore A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. It is verified. Got it? Pause the video and note it down. Now question number 8 is simplifying minus 2 into 3 by minus 14 into minus 5 by 12 into 7 by 15. First, minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1 into, make this denominator as positive, so we have to multiply it by minus 1 in both numerator and denominator in the fraction 3 by minus 14. Then we get minus 3 by 14 and minus 5 by 12 into 7 by 15. Now minus 2 into minus 3 into minus 5 into 7 and 1 into 14 into 12 into 15. So here minus into minus is equal to plus, and plus into minus, that is minus. So minus 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 upon 1 into 14 into 12 into 15. 5 3s are 15, 7 2s are 14. So what we get? Minus 2 into 3 upon 1 into 2, that is 2 into 12. Now 2 and 2 cancel out, and 3 4s are 12. So here we get minus 1 by 4. That is your final answer. Write down. Now next question is, put the correct sign is equal to or is not equal to. First question is given that 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 9. 5 by 9 divided by 3 by 4. Which one is equal and which one is not equal? Got it? So first solve this one, that is 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 9. 3 by 4, if we change this divide sign into multiply, then this fraction becomes reciprocal. So reciprocal of 5 by 9, that is 9 by 5. Now 9 3 are 27 and 5 4 are 20. Now solve this expression, that is 5 by 9 divided by 3 by 4. 5 by 9 into 4 by 3, that is 20 by 27. So both values are not same, that is 27 upon 20 is not equal to 20 by 27. Therefore this is not equal to this one. Got it? And remaining questions of question number 9 you have to do at your home. Okay, let me tell you one more question which is taken from question number 9. Five by 7 divided by 1. 5 by 7, that is fifth part of question number 9. Now solve this. 5 by 7 divided by 1, then 5 by 7 into 1 by 1, that is 5 by 7. If we solve this expression, we get 5 by 7. So we can say that this expression is equal to this. Got it? Pause the video and note it down. Now, so remaining parts of question number 9 you have to do yourself. So now I am going to tell you question number 10, which is state whether true or false. You have to tell the given statement is true or false. So first statement is the product of two rational number is always a rational number. Yes, this is a closure property in multiplication, and it is said that if two rational numbers are multiplied to each other, then we get a rational number. So first statement is true, that is the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. So this is true. Second, 0 is the multiplicative identity. 0 is the multiplicative identity for rational number. No. 1 can be multiplicative identity in multiplication, but 0 not. 0 is additive inverse. So second statement is false. If A, B, C are rational number, then it is given that then A into B minus C is not equal to A into B minus A into C. This is true or false? Yes, of course. This is false. This is a distributive property over subtraction, and in distributive property it is said that A into B minus C always equal to A into B minus A into C. This is true and this is false. Got it? So fourth statement is, if A, B, C, D are rational number, then A into B into C into D equal to B into A and D into C. A into B into C into D equal to B into A into D into C. Yes, this is right. A into B can be written as B into A. That is commutative law in multiplication. So this is right. So question number 4 is true. Rational number. Question number Question number 5th part of question number 10. Rational numbers are not closed under division. Statement is, rational numbers are not closed under division. This is false. Rational numbers are closed under division. 6th part, commutative and associative property hold good in case of division of rational number. It is totally wrong. Commutative and associative property do not hold good for a rational number. Got it? Division of a rational number. In division, commutative property and associative property do not apply. But in this statement it is given that commutative and associative properties hold good in case of division of rational number. That is false. So 6th statement is false. Last statement is, if A, B and C are rational number, then A into B plus C, A divided by B plus C is equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. In 6th statement I told you associative property do not hold. Associative property do not hold in division. So here it is said that associative properties hold good for a division of rational number. That is false. It is not possible. Associative property do not hold good in division of rational numbers. Got it? So all parts have completed. Now question number 11 and 12 do at your home. This is a homework for you. So thank you so much for watching this video.